Okay. So, listen, can you do me a favor? Anything for you, not a boozoo. You want to announce the show for us? Yeah, that'd be great. All right. Let me just, Boozhoo, everybody. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to Boozhoo, not a boozoo. I am Paul Stanley, and this is not a boozoo. And over there on the guitar is the lovely and talented Natasha. So please welcome Nana Boozhoo. Take it away, Nana Boozhoo. Oh, thank you very much, Paul. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the show. And, today I was thinking, let's just do a song. Yeah, okay. What song do you want to do? Well, I know. Our Ojibwe phrase of the day is also the name of the song that we're going to do. MEGWAA, OMIIMIIG, ADEMO. MEGWAA, when? OMIIMIIG, doves. ADEMO, cry. And this is when doves cry. Dig, if you will, a picture of you and I engaged in a kiss. The sweat of your body covers me. Can, my darling, can you picture this? You will, a courtyard, an ocean of violets and bloom. Animals strike curious poses. They feel the heat between me and you. Leave me standing alone in a world that's so cold. Maybe I'm just too demanding. Maybe I'm just like my father, too bold. Maybe you're just like my mother. She's never satisfied. Why do we scream at each other? This is what it sounds like when doves cry. Oh, that was really pretty, sweetie. And you have been watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, podcast about Ojibwe language, culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO. On the guitar, Natasha. I will see you again. Giga waba min, minawa. Oh,